Okay, so today we are going to cook a chicken soup, a quick one. So for this we need a pair of carrots and a pair of potatoes, 1 onion, 2 garlics and 2 chicken legs with some pepper, black pepper, red pepper, salt and some sort of maggie or some ingredients that gives soup some taste. Yeah, and now we put it into the pot here. Yeah, so please put all these things into the pot. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes. Great. So guys, we put 2 chicken legs and 4 carrots and 4 potatoes and 1 onion and 2 garlics, and we put water now. Cold water. It's not boiled. It's not boiled. It's cold water. Okay. Great. So we fill it. We fill it till the lid. Yeah. And now we put the fire on. So this pot is like 2 liters. 2 liters of water it contains, or 2.5 maybe. Yeah. Please put the fire on. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah, so we just put it in a kind of high fire until it gets boiled. So when it gets boiled, then we will show you again the rest. All right. Yeah, so our soup is boiling now, guys. So we have to remove the foam. Yeah, we have to remove the foam from it. Yeah, and so it was like yeah, it boiled around 20 minutes in high fire, and now it is boiling now, and we are removing the foam. We didn't put an oil because the chicken has got its oil here. And now we are going to put some salt, like 1 teaspoon of salt. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of salt we will put there. Yeah, you see here. Okay. Yeah, so as you saw, we put 1 teaspoon of salt. And then now we are going to put some black pepper. Yeah, a little bit of black pepper. Yeah, so this is the black pepper. Yeah, okay, so a little bit of, as you like, you put it according to your taste. And we also put some ingredients, and we make the fire a little slower because it's boiling. It is boiling, so we make the fire a little slower. We slow down the fire. Yeah, okay. Yes, and now we put some of this ingredient from it is with a little bit mixed with beef ingredient. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, just a little bit, to give it a special taste. Yeah, and a little bit of red pepper. Yeah, we'll put. Yeah. Yeah, very good. Yeah, now it has to boil. Now we made it a little slower now, so it will be like this maybe next half an hour or 40 minutes. Yeah, we'll leave it like this. And we will let you know once it is ready. Usually chicken meat gets cooked very quickly. Like it's usually cooked in 40 minutes. Yeah, 40-45 minutes. And yeah, so maybe in the next 30 minutes it'll be boiling in such a mode, and we'll let you know once it's ready. Yeah guys, so our soup is finally ready after 1.5 hours of boiling, and we just tried, and everything looks like it has been cooked. Yeah, cooked well. So now we are also going to add one boiled egg. Yeah, we will just slice it and we will put it in both of these plates. Yeah. So yeah, we are going to serve it now. Yes, please. So it took 1.5 hours to get it cooked, to get it well cooked. This is super easy. You just put these things and you just wait 1.5 hours. It'll be a great soup. Now we are going to cut these potatoes to slice it. Yeah. And yeah, everything is very well cooked. The salt is also good, garlic is also good. We just cooked, yeah, you see, yeah. Great. Okay. Okay. Okay, garlic. Okay. Yeah. A little bit of soup, bouillon, yeah. Soup tastes amazing. We just tried it. It tastes just amazing. Look at this, guys. Awesome. Great. This is a plain soup with vegetables, with carrot and potato and onion and the garlic and some. And we are also going to add an egg, a boiled egg. We just boiled it separately. Yeah, you see it, guys. So this is it. Now this is our food. Yeah, everything is ready. Yeah, everything is. You see how it looks like. This is great. It took only 1.5 hours. We just put everything in once, and high cooking and then medium and slow cooking. That's it. Yeah. Everything is ready. Yeah guys, thank you very much, and if you like this, yeah, just comment on the videos. We appreciate it.